Here's a few natural ways to keep your garden healthy and wildlife safe without using chemicals or pesticides. Garlic. If you crush garlic and make a paste with it and then add water, shake it up, spray your plants with it. None of the wildlife or bugs like going near garlic. So it's not only for vampires.
Second tip, Epsom salt. If you use Epsom salt and put it on top of the dirt before planting, it's going to keep the wildlife out of the garden and protect your plants.
Cayenne pepper. Sprinkle cayenne pepper around the plants. Nothing will go near it and it won't harm the plants.
Another one is plant lavender around your garden. It will keep insects away.
Birds love seedlings. So a really great way to keep birds away is to cut out little tinfoil strips like 1 inch by 1 inch and just hang them in between plants and birds won't go near them.